Hey guys, I'm Soumyadeep again back with a new tutorial video about soil mechanics. So in this video I'm telling you what is the relation between void ratio and porosity. Guys, if you till now were not watching my video, so there is a I button, so do check my video and do watch my video. So now I'll start about yesterday. Last video I'm asking you what is the fundamental of between void ratio and porosity in soil mechanics. So today I'm discuss about what is the fundamental in soil mechanics between void ratio and porosity. Look, void ratio E means volume of void by volume of solid. Okay. In porosity, volume of void by volume of what? Total. Or you can say volume of void by volume of void plus volume of solid. In a particular soil material, volume of soil is constant, whereas volume of water and volume of air are not constant. So volume of soil is only in E, but here there is volume of soil or volume of void. So you can increase the volume of void, then N will be changing upper portion, lower portion. Whereas you can change the volume of void here, then upper portion is changed, but lower portion is completely unchanged. So that is why in the soil mechanics, void ratio is a fundamental parameter. So hopefully you understood this. So now I am telling about something about void ratio and porosity. मैं यहाँ पे void E लिख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे N लिख रहा हूँ, okay? So in the first video of the soil mechanics, I am saying you there is a three-phase system and exception there is two-phase system. In two-phase system, there is either air solid combination, either water solid combination. Same thing, air solid combination or water solid combination. So void ratio is VV by VS, volume of void by volume of soil in three-phase system, and porosity is volume of void by total volume in three-phase system. But what will be the two-phase system? So let's see. Two-phase system, first E क्या होगा ना, VV by VS. VV मतलब क्या है? V of air plus volume of water by volume of soil. But volume of void तो air solid में तो water नहीं है भाई, तो volume of water 0 बन जाएगा. So VA by VS. Same thing is happening there. N equal to volume of void by for total volume. So volume of ऊपर में क्या रहेगा? VA रहेगा, नीचे क्या रहेगा? VA plus VS. And वाटर सॉलिड कंडीशन में क्या होगा? E equal to volume of void by volume of solid. Volume of void means volume of air plus volume of water by volume of solid. वाटर सॉलिड कंडीशन में तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर नहीं रहेगा. अगर नहीं रहेगा तो E इक्वल टू क्या होगा? VW by VS. यहाँ पे भी सिंपल वैसे ही होगा. N equal to volume of void by volume of total, that N equal to volume of water by volume of water plus volume of solid. So guys, उम्मीद करूंगा सो गाइज उम्मीद करूंगा ये वीडियो को आपको जरूर पसंद आ गया। अगर पसंद आ गया तो कर दीजिए लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब। अगर आपको है कोई डाउट कर दीजिए नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट। और इसी के साथ ये टॉपिक या मतलब ये सब्जेक्ट या ये कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है। अगर मैं फिर मैं आऊँगा एक नया वीडियो के साथ जो सॉइल मैकेनिक्स रिलेटेड है। सो चलिए, गुड बाय, take care, bye bye. One more thing, if you have any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section.